Well, it's Miss Tasneem here. On Show My Homework, you would have seen that I have asked you to create a website this week. The reason why I've done this is because as of now, all the photography work that you do will be uploaded onto your own personal websites, and these will act as your new sketchbooks, and will have all the coursework that you do on them, and I will be able to give you feedback. I think this is really beneficial for you guys because you can edit your websites using your mobile or using your computer, and I can see the work that you're doing, and we're going to just have more of a dialogue. And when you're at home, if you have any questions or anything, just upload it on Show My Homework about your websites, and I can always give you feedback that way. For some of you, you might be a little bit nervous about creating this website. I do not want you to worry at all. If you have any questions, please contact me via Show My Homework or follow this step-by-step guide. And if at any point you're getting a little bit stuck, again, just write to me on Show My Homework or click pause and then have another go. And if you're still struggling, then contact me, okay? Do not worry though, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this website. By the end of this, you would have created your own website and it will be live on the internet. Okay, what you need to do first of all is on your laptop or computer, open up the internet and go onto Google. Once you're on Google, you need to type in Student Weebly, and click the top link. And you should see a screen that looks like this. Your username should be your first initial followed by your last name and then the number 20. For some of you that isn't the case, and I have written that on your Show My Homework comments. If you have not received a comment, that means that your username is your first initial followed by your last name and then 20. I have created one, Greatfields Test 20, and then your password is Greatfields 20 capital G. Please do not change your passwords because I need to access your websites. Okay, once you're logged in, you will see this little box that says choose your web domain. Your web domain will be what people type in to see your websites. Everybody needs to write their names as their web domain. So mine could be misstasneem.weebly.com. Or as you can see, it's taken. So if your web domain is taken, just add a number at the end. So mine is misstasneem1.weebly.com. For James, for example, his would be jamessmith.weebly.com. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to click continue. And this should be the screen that you see. I want you to get rid of this, so click the X, because I'm going to show you step by step how to create your website. Okay, step 1. Oh, sorry, I just want to say big well done for getting this far on creating your site so far. So well done for getting to this step. Okay, step 1, it says my site. I want to change that and I want each one of you to personalize it. So I want you to write your name followed by photography. So mine is going to be called Miss Tasneem Photography. And then I'm going to click off it. And then I want you to change the theme of your site. Every single person is going to have the same theme at the start. So once you've clicked theme, I want you to click on portfolio. And then click JS Photography. Click choose theme. And now it has changed, as you can see here. Okay, step 1 is if you are not happy with the font, you can change that. I'm going to show you how to do that. To do that, you have to click theme and then click change font and then click site title and then scroll down and choose the font that you like. Just for demonstration purposes today, I'm going to choose Cabin. And I've only changed the site title font. I need to change the font for the entire website. And this is going to take a minute. So you need to click each one and change the font. It does take a few minutes, so be patient. If you preferred the font at the start, that's fine. You can keep it that way. I'm not saying you have to change your font. I'm just showing everybody because some students will choose to personalize their sites, and that is fine. Okay, so I've changed all the font on my website, but it is not saved yet, okay? So if there's one thing that I want you to take away from today, it is this button here, publish, is how you save your work, okay? So remember that. After every change you make on your website, you need to click publish. So I've just changed the font, so I've clicked publish, and my website is now live. So my website has been published. So I've done that. Now what you are going to do is you are going to create your first page on your site, okay? So what you need to do is click pages at the top and then click the plus sign. And I want you to add a blog page, but your blog page is going to be titled feedback. This is where I am going to leave you feedback for your website. Okay, so this is my blog page. What you need to do first of all, before you do anything else, is at the bottom you will see this little box here, and I want you to click new post and write feedback. Okay. This is where I will be adding feedback onto your website. So I've titled it feedback and I need to click post. And then remember, click publish, because otherwise your change has not been saved. Okay, so this is now where I will write everybody's feedback. So let's go back to our homepage. Currently my homepage looks pretty empty. So I'm going to show you how to personalize your homepage. If there's any boxes you don't want on your page, you can just right click them and it should give you the option to delete. My first thing that I want to do to personalize my page though is to edit the background. So what you need to do is click the image and then edit background. I recommend that you use a color as your background. So I'm going to choose white. To do that, I've just followed the steps that I've said. So edit backgrounds, and then click color and then change color, and you can choose the color. I'm going to stick to white. Okay, so this is currently my homepage and it looks pretty bland. There's nothing on it. So I want to show you how to add an image or text. So I'm going to show you how to add an image first of all. Weebly is really handy for this. So you can personalize your website using these widgets on the left. So right now I want to add in an image. So I'm going to drag the image icon to there, and then I will click upload image. You can upload your image from your computer. I do have one saved, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I've already got one on my desktop, and that is now an image that I have uploaded. To resize your image, you just click it in the corner and then you can make it as big as small as you want. Or another way that you can upload an image is by using an image URL. So this means that you do not have to save it onto your computer. I'm going to show you how to do this. It might be an image that you've chosen from Google. So to do this, I'm going to open Google and I'm going to type in, what do I want an image of? Oh, sorry, it's camera. Okay, so let's say I want to add on this image onto my website. I'm going to right click the image and I'm going to scroll down to copy image address. So that will copy the URL and then I can paste that into this and hopefully this should work. And now that image has been uploaded onto my website. So today all I want you to do is personalize your home page and create a feedback page. So well done for getting this far and for creating your own website. So your task today is to create a home page and a feedback page. Once you have done this, please can you submit it online by just saying that you have done it, and then I can track it via your login. I'm just making sure that my two pages are the same. It would be quite nice if you also personalised your feedback page. So I don't want that. I want to choose an image. Or if you don't want an image, you can just scroll up like that. I nearly forgot to publish, so I'm going to publish my website. I'm just going to show you what my website looks like right now. And this is currently my website. So that is now published. So now I'm going to click off. Like I said previously, if you have any questions at all, please contact me via Show My Homework. All the best of luck with creating your websites. I look forward to seeing them and I hope that you are all well. Thank you very much.